All right, in respect to Bobrisky, what I'm about to post now, a lot of names will be mentioned.
Bobrisky bribery scandal. Falana denies involvement in Bobrisky case as bribery investigation begins. In a developing story, Nigeria's Minister of Interior, Olubunmi Tunji-Ojo, has ordered a thorough investigation into bribery allegations within the Nigerian Correctional Service. This comes after a controversial voice note allegedly featuring Idris Okuneye, popularly known as Bobrisky. The voice note, shared by social media personality Martins Otise, also known as Very Dark Man, contains claims that Bobrisky served his recent 6-month sentence for naira abuse in a private apartment rather than in prison. The recording suggests that Bobrisky's godfather facilitated the arrangement with the Controller General of the Nigerian Correctional Service. Minister Tunji-Ojo has called for an immediate and comprehensive probe in response to these allegations. The minister's media aide, Alao Babatunde, released a statement emphasizing that no indiscipline or corruption will be tolerated within the paramilitary services under the ministry's jurisdiction. Dr. Magaline Ajani, Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Interior, will lead the investigation. Minister Tunji-Ojo has assured the public that the probe will be rigorous, transparent, and impartial, with appropriate actions to follow any personnel found guilty. In a related development, renowned human rights lawyer Femi Falana denied involvement with Bobrisky's case. Falana issued a 24-hour ultimatum to Very Dark Man through his legal representatives, demanding a retraction of statements linking him to Bobrisky. Falana lawyers stated, "We wish to state without any fear of contradiction that our client has never in his life spoken to Bobrisky on his alleged pardon or any matter whatsoever." The voice note in question also alleges that Bobrisky paid a 15 million naira bribe to officials of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) to drop money laundering charges against him. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV as we update you on the investigation as it becomes available and any responses from the parties involved.